Shit. Busco. Okay, uyadlula.
Suka man, sekupela.
Busco. It's okay. Uzamile, even though ungatholanga ni-1, but uzamile. Thank you, my dog. 2, 1. Ke tshwere motšhita o mongwe mona le ena go itshepile ga ka e tšhia 100 ranta ena
a sena nako ya magame la
ra tlala maga re tlale cash 100 ranta la e bona my brother wa e bona o ka no e tshwara wa e fila ke how my brother ya so how di thola ga itse ke o ntona kana shota we ada o so ba tsiba
Sure.
like live
Yeah, sure.
a njaga he ku ka unthusanyana hey so ithatha lo omagcina second last okay njaka sheba the rules of the game so ko pampiring e one mona mabitso a 3 real names of celebrities nna ke tlo bitsa mabitso a bona wena o ntwetse mabitso a ba ipitsang ka ona ko gaming wa tshwara are you feeling lucky?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, my nigga is feeling lucky. Let's see if he is gonna get lucky. Oh, I don't know, but we'll see.
A man's got to do what a man's got to do to survive.
100 rand up for grabs. I'm still your boy. Inkosi tathu mgijimi ndoda gijima esadeni ngene ehlathini shiphu bese ukhamisile bathi inkaba izondijayivisa abantu ngoshuna amapiano. Hayi wena man.
I don't know what that man is smoking.
I think this intro of mine yenza abantu bangawini. I think if I stop doing this intro, people are gonna start winning. You understand? So my dog only have 2 numbers left, ne? Are you feeling lucky?
Sure.
Those bambili mic bangathi thathela inhlanzi. 2 numbers, 6 and 8. You ringele, yabo? Yeah. So mfethu kula number 2 uzokhetha between 6 and 8. Which number is the lucky number? 6. Lucky number 6. What is the number of the beast?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
What's that my chance? What's that 100 rand mtanami? Rekana hubona kama wala arena mabala. Yes.
South Africa is a movie.
Yo. Walimala. Number 1. Sihle Sithole.
Just sure.
Yeah. That's number 1.
Nama hindi next.
Hip hop artist. Sihle Sithole. Hip hop artist.
Wangai.
You are slow learner. Fucking idiot.
Nice. Nila ngabantu abasemzansi kuphela.
Just sure.
Anbazi. Next. Okay.
We're in big trouble. Nothing is coming right.
Number 2. This one is a public figure. Akaculi, mari celebrity. Uyamazi. Igama lakhe uTshepo Pitso. Mangakutshela ukuthi wenzani uzomthola because uyi-leader yalento ayenzayo. Take a wild guess. Cabanga nje ama-podcaster ongathi igama lakhe lifanele ukuba uTshepo. And kulento ayenzayo uye-leader. Uwe. Hey, Busco. See, I'm 100 rand. It's your pendulum. Okay, uyadlula.
Suka man, sekupela.
Busco. It's okay. Jamu Andile Pifaza. I-producer. Antwana sengithike kakhulu. Hip hop.
Wenzeni mbuzo wenzeni.
It's the last one. No one is taking this keeper. Okay.
benzo bana
So, Uzamile, even though ungatholanga ni-1, but Uzamile. Thank you, my dog. Exe. Yabona, so bafethu ubhekani shot umuntu oqina yabona. Once lo muntu lona maybe kungaba uyo ozoyithatha. Otherwise, sevala. Okay, this is the last contender, Matota. The last one, the last of the last. Shimanje, but he saved the best for last. Let's see if he really is the best. Cause Zabanta by full 100 rand. Matala, now keep a like, keep a like, so cameraman. Say the paper lot on it. So when I go to go, sponsor on the paper lady. So Jamilana paper lady, here's the rules of the game. kule phepha lethu namagama ayi-3 wama-celebrity, amagama wabo wamampela nalamagama abazibiza ngawo. So mina ngizobiza amagama wabo wamampela, wena usho lawa abazibiza ngawo. Uyangibamba? Showcase. So Njami, wathatha amachance, wathatha 100 rand.
asina nako ya magame la.
I'm still your boy Nkosi Stratum Mgijimi Ndoda Gijima South ngene ehlathini shiphu bese likhamisile bathi inkaba izondi ijayibisa abantu ngoshuna amapiano ishu. Cela uzibambele imic Njami bangathi ngithathele inhlanhla.
Sisekake.
Lucky number 8, the last number. Lucky number 8. Sisibuyisele lawa amanye. Ngiyabona ngithi ilawa yenziwe ayabuyela evoting. So right now what we do is sizobiza igama lokuqala njalo. Yo. Number 1. Lungelihle Zwane. Lungelihle Zwane. Yeah. That is the amapiano njalo. You. It's a female DJ. Me. You missed this one. I'm at 2 by Shabala. 12. Take your work guess. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. Wrong. Number 2. Senzo Mfundo Vilakazi. It's a rapper. Bro. It's a hip hop. Ubani?
Come on, man.
Senzo Mfundo Vilakazi. It's a rapper, my dog. Unengoma. Ingoma yakhona inesibongo sakhe. Senzo Mfundo Vilakazi. Hayi. Case act disqualify. 10. Sebakutshelile fika yabo.
Ya maka.
Ngithatha.
Calling you one. Call my name.
Okay. Last one.
Yeah.
Thato Rampadi.
Sato Rampadi.
Lempana ngeke ngikwazi ukuyihlupha.
Oh.
Le ngakayihlupa na ihambile. Sengikunike i-answer. Yazisho ntwana yami le.
Hip hop
Piano Njami.
piano.
10. 9. Thato Rampadi. 8.
Sato
7.
Rampadi.
6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1.
Think we have to have a plan B for survival.
Wathatha amachance, wathatha 100 rand. That was the last one for the day. Akatholanga lutho. Akekho winile madoda. Makasazi. Yangena bodi. Okay, uyivale silanda ubudi. Bathi selli mathunzi. Kade similelana ekhoneni. Siloku sifuna ukunikana nge100 rand. Kodwa abantu abaseOrlando East bathi no. We have our Ramaphosa's money. We don't need your 100 rand body. Hamba udlalela kude. Angazi ukuthi abayifuni le mali yami noma kanjani. Kodwa mina ngithi ngiyabanika i100 e100sburg. And I'm still your boy Nkosi Stratum Mgijimi Ndoda Gijima South ngene ehlathini shiphu bese likhamisile. Bathi inkaba izondi ijayibisa abantu ngoshuna amapiano. Wathatha amachance, wathatha 100 rand. Walala wasala wavuka wayisola.
A man's got to do what a man's got to do to survive.
Abuti, are you feeling lucky?
Bega
Supreme uzwele. Wathi bana ke tsamale batho ba dese, batho ba stele, ke dilo tse di wete fela o butlile ari Supreme. My brother, cela uzibambele imic bangathi kuthathele inhlanhla. Okay, my brother, here are the rules of the game. 100 rand up for grabs. You have options I8. 1 to 9, mara u8 akekho. Akwazi ukhetha u8 from 1 to 9. So lana uzokhetha inumber 1 that you feel is your lucky number. Kula maphepha lawa, each paper has 3 names. 3 real names of a celebrity and their stage names. Should you get all 3 of them right? Amboni siphika lakhe lapho. Yalibona likuphi Njami? And aliphathwa yimi. Mawathola we3 uhamba na. Right?
Sisekake.
He's feeling lucky. Cela ungikhethe inumber yodwa futhi. One number, please get number 1. He's feeling lucky. Lucky number 3. 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 Nangabu lucky number 3 matota. Ngibonile ngimchipe ngaphakathi kwama-waffle. My brother, ubekelelana nje ne?
Okay, my
Sure. So, number 1.
kids.
Hey, this one is a repetition of something that we just had. Number 1. Ntokozo Mdluli. If you've been here, please keep quiet. If you've been here, keep quiet. Uzongitshela igama sibiza ngalo wena elobu-celebrate. Leli lakhe lamampela. Ntokozo Mdluli. Nakunika i-clue. You only get one shot. I-clue nikunike noma uzozigesela.
Vujisha! Ah, vujisha!
I-clue ntami lo muntu lona uwenza i-hip hop and OG umuntu uthi kudala khona. Ntokozo Mdluli. At some point, said guy was 2.
Yeah.
He was part of a crew. At some point. Lucky number 3, lucky number 3, lucky number 3.
May proceed.
Vajari chance!
Okay. He's not feeling so lucky after all. I was just born at Amakama wabo pizza, but bangathi siyakhopha. Number 2. Lesigo Kyle Munyandu. You can ask for a clue. 100 rand is yours. The 100 rand is yours. Going home with the clipper. Wondrous bet.
Nyambi.
Lesigo Kyle Munyandu. I give you a clue.
Okay.
I give you 2. Ngoba ngiyakufila nyana. He's a hip hop act. Nah, at some point he was part of a crew. He went solo. He once had a song with AKA. I said, "Kama tuanapaya." He once had a song with AKA and show my toes. I said,
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
"Ah, wrong." Ati ufifi kuba wrong. Aye. Last one. Then he has his shokuku. You get this one wrong. I don't know. Jabulani hatebe.
To be honest, Chabana Hata Bepega. To be honest, Chabana Hata Bepega.
I don't know what that man is smoking.
My brother, music-wise, it's a male. Like kujablano usifazane.
Bonyet.
Hip hop.
Usha hip hop, na yenye kusha ni afro. My brother yazisho, Jabulani. But okay, kalubheka amagama wakho ungayivali lapho nje yami. Simbone ukuthi uluze kanjani. My brother, you just lost 100 rand. 100 rand. Now amagama wabantu bakho nje yami.
Benzobana.
Yeah.
Now wala. Sorry my brother, please don't call the names out. Sorry my brother. Uzamile ukuyithatha chance kodwa uyithatha nge-100 rand. Wathatha ama chance uthatha 100 rand. If you are feeling lucky, you can just come to the corner. Echaritini is where we at. Echaritini TV. I'm still your boy Nkosi Stratum Kitchen Mendo Kitchen Stratum ngene ehlathini shiphu bese ukhamithile. Bathi inkaba zonijayivisa abantu ngoshunga amapiano. If you are feeling lucky, just come to me. Usolele 100 rand. Awubona uthi nangu ubhuti wama-Wundra. Wase-Wundra's back. Wathatha ama chance wathatha i-Wundra. Issue.
But in big trouble, nothing is coming right.